All right, let's talk about steam system losses. I know, it sounds a little technical, right? But what if I told you this is really a story about a silent money drain? We're going to go on a hunt for one of the biggest, most invisible problems in the energy world, one that could be costing you a ton. So, what is this thing that's quietly emptying your wallet? I mean, really think about it. What if thousands of dollars were just poof, vanishing into thin air from buildings and factories all around us every single day?
Well, the crazy thing is, it is, and it's hiding in plain sight. It's something you've probably walked past a million times without a second thought. Yep, we're talking about steam systems.
You heard me. Those totally normal looking pipes and valves just doing their job, delivering heat and power, well, they can also be huge sources of energy waste. A steam system that isn't looked after is, you guessed it, a silent money drain. It's just sitting there, wasting fuel and water every single second you ignore it. So let's look at our first culprit, the bare pipe. I know, sounds harmless, right? But this thing is a total energy thief, and it's not even trying to hide.
Here's the easiest way to think about it. An uninsulated pipe is basically a giant radiator that nobody asked for. It's like a 6-lane superhighway, just letting all that precious heat escape into the air instead of, going where you actually want it to go.
And when you look at the numbers, wow, they're just staggering. Check this out. Just 100-meter stretch of pipe, and that's not even that long, at a pretty standard pressure, loses 2,800 gigajoules a year. To put that in perspective, that's a massive amount of wasted energy. Okay, but what does that mean in dollars and cents? Let's talk real money. For just a 65-meter section of pipe, that's over $8,500. Wasted every single year. That's cash, just gone, floating away.
But wait, there's more. Bare pipes are just part of the story. Things get even more expensive when we meet culprit number 2, the tiny, expensive leak. This is the small hole with a seriously big price tag.
When you see something like this, that's not just steam. That is not just a little puff of harmless vapor. No way. You are literally watching thousands of dollars vanishing into thin air. So just how much money are we talking about here? Get this, $23,000 a year from one single broken part, a little valve with a leak that's only 6 millimeters wide. We're talking about something the size of a pencil eraser costing more than a new car every year. Oh, okay, I know. That's a lot of bad news. But here's the really cool part, the good news. Fixing these things is actually one of the smartest investments anyone can make. You're basically turning wasted energy right back into profit. And look, that's not just me saying it. It's a known fact in the industry. Fixing steam systems, it often has some of the fastest paybacks you'll find, period. You get these incredible returns, and you get them fast. The whole project basically pays for itself in no time. And the best part? It's not rocket science. It really just comes down to 3 easy steps. Step 1, find the leaks and the bare pipes. Step 2, insulate those pipes and fix the broken parts. And step 3, well, that's the fun part. You just sit back and reap the rewards. It's really that simple.
All right, so if you're going to remember just one thing from all this, what should it be?
It's this. Your biggest energy savings are often hidden, not complicated. It's not about some fancy, expensive new technology. Nope. The biggest wins are usually right there, hidden in plain sight. It's the simple stuff, like putting a jacket on a pipe or fixing a tiny little leak. If you want to uncover more simple secrets about how energy really works, make sure you subscribe to Energy Simply Explained. We'd love to have you. Thanks for watching.